Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you interested in selling Canva templates on Pinterest? In this guide, we will show you how to create eye-catching pins, link them to your sales page and use Pinterest to drive traffic and sales. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, there is a couple of rules that we need to respect, and these rules are not by me or Pinterest, but they are basically from Canva. Canva support team has this article that I will show you right now that includes some rules that we have to respect in case we would like to sell any Canva template in any kind of marketplace or any platform. For example, Etsy, Shopify, whatever. If we actually did something wrong, they can sue us. So what are these rules? That's what I'm going to show you right now in this article. So here it is. Now use Canva to design digital and physical products for sale. Now what's allowed and not in this section is very important. So we'll cover more details and scenarios in this section below, but here are things you need to generally keep in mind when using Canva to create and sell designs. You can only sell original designs, as you can see right here. If you want to create a product you can sell, it needs to be an original design. You can't sell any Canva content on a standalone basis. Creating an original design means using Canva content with a combination of design elements like images, videos, audio files, other media texts, illustrations, background features, etc. and editing techniques to make a new creative work. Now what I mean exactly is simply I'm going now to create, for example, a CV. When I'm going to sell, for example, a CV design, let's go for example with this one, I cannot sell this design as it is, but I can change stuff in here, remap it and redesign it so I can make it more unique that I will be allowed to sell it. Now what are the basic rules to actually sell or to redesign something? What I do for me myself, I add several pages. In those pages I add similar template to this one. So for example, I'm gonna add this one here and I'm gonna add, for example, that one. Just like that, I will be able, so let me just drag it right here, like that here. Let's go with this one, for example, and there we go. So now what I would usually do is to copy stuff from other templates and add them to the main one. For example, here I could take this these like things from here and add them like right here, something like that could be good, and I can like redesign them so they can fit my my goal. So something like that can be good. So I can put one here, put another one here, and align them, put them to the background and change the colors so they can match the main color of this template. As you can see, it's already much different. Now what I'm gonna do is to make them, for example, smaller. I think this size is better, so I'm just gonna do something like that, go and take it to the background, and as you can see now we have changed something in the design. So this might not be enough for them to actually accept it, but still this is something that we did and this is something that we used to make it more different. Now also you could change this hover. You can make it like basically like a rectangle. For example, let's go here, search for board, and what I'm gonna do, frame, yeah, frame, I guess, yeah, it's frame. And for example, I'm gonna take this one, add it right here, and what I'm gonna also add is a basic contour, so borderline. I'm gonna add like a border, and let's make it like that, and something like so. Something like that also may be good, and let's change the color of it. So I'm gonna go right here, make it white, and as you can see it is much better right now. It's much more difference. you could also redesign this so you can make it more like original. Now once you're done with this design, you have to set on Pinterest. To do so, you have to go to Pinterest, of course. So go to pinterest.com and make sure that you have a design in it. Now what you'll have to do also is to make sure that your account on Pinterest is basically verified and good to go. In case you want to actually advertise for your Canva designs on Pinterest, then you should also create an account on Pinterest Ads account manager so you can actually run ads on Pinterest. Now what people do usually is something like so. So you can see this design right here, this one here, and that one right here. Now they will keep like sharing their own designs for like different kind of things, such as gratitude journal, clothing guide, or something like that. Here we have like a template for like my vacation journal, where to go, what to do, etc, etc, all about me stuff. So these templates, you can really sell them and you can create them using Canva. You can also sell CVs, as I showed you. You can sell like training like schedule and whatever schedule you think of. You can sell a lot of things, and basically how you can do it is simply by sharing the picture itself. And as you can see here, they are linking their websites. So for example, if I click on this Mama Teachers website, you can find here like their own like website where they are selling stuff, and you'll have a blog, etc, etc. So this is very useful. You can actually add the link of your own design, which you will probably find in the top. So you can click on share, click on anyone with the link, and copy link, and you will have the link. So you can now create a post in Pinterest. So you can create right here, add the title into it, as you can see from here, add a description, and add the link right here. Of course, you should take a picture for the template. Usually you should simply just share it and click on download right here, and choose to download it as an image, PNG. Choose the first one only, and of course you can download it on your PC and then put it right here, drag it and attach it to your post, and then you'll be able to actually use this as a picture. And then you can go ahead and add a title, add a description, and add a link, add board, tag topics, and tags are very important so you can have higher chances to appear in people home screen. So this is very important to take some tags, and what people write, you simply have to go to the most, or basically to the pictures that are visible to you in your home screen, and you can share or take the tags and hashtags that they have in their in your home screen, copy them and paste them as long as they basically somehow look like your design and what type of business you own. And once you have done that, you can, for example, share your designs, and basically people will start contacting you in the comments, and from there you can make clients contact you directly, for example on Telegram or the Discord, and you can manage to make like a payment through crypto or whatever thing you want. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.